Yo, what's up guys? Today I will show you how to make your Instagram followers go up. So the first step is we open our browser and go to website rapidboost.net. You can find this website in the pinned comment. And here on this website we click on the menu and now Instagram and followers. And on the second page we can choose how many followers we want to receive. So for the purpose of this video, let's choose 1000 followers. And here we have to enter our Instagram username so they can know where they have to send followers. So let's back to Instagram and we can find our username at the top of the screen. So let's type it on the website. Here we go. And here we have to enter our email address. And here we can choose our preferred payment method. So I will choose a credit card and let's place the order. Alright, so now I'll pay for this order and see you guys in 5 minutes. And as you can see guys, after 5 minutes I received 1000 followers on Instagram, so it's working. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.